Hello everybody, and I hope you're doing well, and welcome to another video with me. I am going to talk about support and resistance and how traders use these two zones to trade. All right, let's get started. The first topic, the first point is gonna be the support zone. All right. So it is a way of trading for many traders to buy. What does it mean, guys? It is a place, depending on that currency, that commodity, that everything you want to trade, okay? Whenever it comes to this price, so many people are interested in buying. All right. So we could say support zone is an area of demand for many buyers. All right. They can buy that, you know, currency, and they can, have some pending orders in this zone. And whenever it comes to this price, so they are ready. All right. So another definition for support zone is we say the price doesn't usually go lower than the zone. All right. So it is important to know, and it is important that you know how to draw these zones that I'm going to explain in this video and in the following minutes. All right. So the last definition you can see is sellers mostly stop selling in this zone and close their short positions. So you know that in forex market, in crypto market, in everywhere, we have two types of positions: short and long, or we could say sell and buy. So many people who has sold that currency, they stop that. They close their position in this zone. All right. Now I would like to talk about the other zone, which is called resistance. So as it can be seen in the slide of PowerPoint, again, it is a way of trading for traders to sell. So many traders, click on sell, and, they have pending orders on this zone. And I'm going to explain how you can just put pending order in the following videos. All right. But here you should know that resistance zone is an area of supply for buyers. Whenever it comes to this price, many people, stop uh, buying, and they just start selling. All right. The price doesn't go uh, higher than this zone most of the time. So you could see, and you should know this. Anyway, and the last tip you could say is buyers mostly stop buying in this zone and close their long positions. All right. So it was all about resistance zone, and you should know this. All right. But we have two questions which you might ask, and I'm going to explain about them. The first is how to draw support and resistance zone. All right. You could see here that we have this area that people who has bought, stop buying, and many people start selling. So it has a reaction, you can see. All right. And another zone here that people have, somehow vice versa, different from what I said. So again, when it comes to this zone, we have the same situation like the previous, one happened. So when you have two zones, one, two, so you can draw this line and you can find the third one, which is going to be a good position for you that you can sell, you know, something like this here. And many traders in the world, put pending order here for, selling. All right. And somehow vice versa, you know, when you can see here the first zone. All right. And after that, the second zone. So you can have a kind of pending order here, and this can make you a good money and good profit. Anyway, so this is the way that people find the resistance area and support area, and it is the way of trading. Even though we have a lot of things. I mean, more than these things, it's not that much simple that you think, okay, we only have supporting area and resistance area, that we always can trade like this. No, it's a kind of complicated process. It's not only like this. Anyway, up to this point we have learned about support, resistance, and how we can draw and how we can trade these zones. And up to now, I have talked about static way of resistance and support. All right. So in the following video, I am going to explain about dynamic resistance and dynamic support. I'm going to explain more interesting things. Anyway, thank you very much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a fantastic day, and bye for now.